actually well documented. NASA has nicknamed them blueberries, first discovered by the Opportunity rover in 2004. They've been spotted over and over again on the Martian surface. The sheer abundance of these rocks points towards one astonishing discovery. In the past, Mars had water, a lot of water. So before Spirit and Opportunity, the mantra was follow the water. We were really interested in finding evidence that there was once liquid water on the surface of Mars. We thought there had been, based on our orbital data, but we hadn't proven it. You can't prove it until you actually can get down and get your nose in the dirt. So with those rovers we proved that, and now we've been able to move beyond that. So now, instead of just following the water, what we're doing is we're trying to understand what was the chemistry of the water. How long did that water persist? Was that water something that could have given rise to life? Why did the environment change so much on Mars that we once had liquid water and we don't anymore? Remember, at the time back in the early 2000s, we didn't know for sure whether Mars had significant water standing out on the surface in his ancient past. Spirit and Opportunity helped us prove that they found evidence through the discovery of things like the hematite, blueberries, the sulfates on the other side of the plant that Spirit was able to locate, that were all indicative of minerals and geological processes that result from long-term exposure to water. So that helped nail theory and really confirm the idea that the possibility of lakes, ponds, oceans on the surface of Mars was a very realistic potential. Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity all found evidence that Mars had water in the past, but did they find evidence of life in 1976? Both Viking landers had the capability to detect some molecules which could indicate life, and shockingly, both of these experiments returned a positive result. Some people say NASA never sent another like-for-like experiment in order to cover up the fact that we have already found life on Mars. NASA disagrees. The positive tests were apparently flawed and detected the byproduct of a chemical reaction. The reason NASA hasn't said another is due to the fact that the tests were repeated a week later and returned a negative result. Debate among scientists is still ongoing as to what the Viking tests actually detected. The result of the LR experiment was positive for metabolism, but no traces of organic material were found. We should be reminded that metabolism can also be produced within organic compounds. The good news is that Curiosity has already found organic molecules 5 centimeters beneath the Martian surface. In 2018, the Curiosity rover detected organic molecules beneath the surface. After taking a drill sample in the Gale crater, it was able to heat the sample up to over 500 degrees Celsius and analyze the escaping gases. While commonly indicative of life, organic molecules can also be created by non-biological processes. NASA admits this is not proof of life, but is certainly encouraging. The bigger mystery is the seasonal pattern of methane fluctuation. Curiosity has found the Curiosity rover has detected methane several times during the mission. Some of the methane found shows a seasonal pattern. The levels increased during summer and decreased during winter. It is exciting because here on Earth, microbial life is an important source of methane. The seasonal methane patterns show that some sort of activity is occurring, whether that be biological